following presentation will be never setting up EAS scenario. This presentation right here will be currently disturbing some kind of emergency alert tones, including other stuff. Yet, this is never will be continuing from the valid of the activation of the emergency alert system. This video will be containing jump scares and more stuff. Please lower the volume now, because this is another video we'll be planning for. Few more warnings: do not panic, or do not be fooled. It's just another video that we're gonna plan for another EAS scenario. Then, do not activate the emergency alert system, because if you do, then people may get panic. Final warning: this video will be containing information regarding of this valid tones. Viewer discretion is advised. So sit, relax, and enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome back to another EAS scenario, and today I presented to you my another EAS scenario, and today we're gonna do something different. Sorry if I put the tablet inside the box, the main box right here, so we can keep it safe, but that's okay. But today I presented to you is not only in USA, but conference in Toronto. We have in Canada, because this is the first one we're gonna do in Canada. So let's begin our Canada edition. So it's a beautiful day in nighttime and evening in Toronto. You decided you're getting ready for dinner, because this is already at 5 p.m. So this right here is Toronto, which is in Canada, the province of Ontario capital, and Ottawa is the state capital of Canada. That's right. And looks like we're adding this new EAS alert from Canada we're gonna plan for. So yeah, it's 6:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yep. So when lower the volume. So it's 6:20. Yeah. 100 coins. That's right. So yeah, but suddenly, happy birthday has been reported in Old Toronto, in downtown Toronto. And looks like Hank is getting a lick, getting a couple of it, and enjoyed the birthday cake. That is so insane. And Angela, let's get this getting you down. Oh my god, we have toilets and showers has been reported. Where did they report? 5 minutes later. Event type is local area. For Toronto. This message is transmitted at request of the Toronto Police Department. A dangerous situation is currently ongoing at Rogers Center's NCN Tower in the city of Toronto, Ontario. As of 6:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe toilet and shower has been reported in two areas. Toilets has been reported in Rogers Centers, where we're currently home to the toilets. Toronto Blue Jays for the MLB, also to the Canadian Football League from Buffalo Bills and the National Basketball Association, a lot of sports. And showers reported in CN Tower, which is a landmark, high concrete in observation tower. They are also attacking, killing anyone it sees in its path, taking 847 people hostage in Rogers Centers and 155 people in CN Tower. They are threatening to kill the hostage if demands are not met. Due to this very situation, that more toilets will be upcoming in the next few days or few minutes. Toronto Rogers Center and CN Tower will be currently evacuated and closing until further notice. No one's under these two areas unless the front has been currently eliminated and out of control. All residents within a 3-mile radius of Rogers Center and CN Tower are strongly advised to stay away from the area and remain indoors at this time. Please tune to local station by news information whenever it becomes available. Great. A toilet and showers reported in Rogers Centers and CN Tower? That's not good at all. Alright? Ben got food and Angela got food. Oh my god. More shower friends. Where they report? 3 minutes later. Event type is law enforcement for Miss Masjuga and Toronto. This message is transmitted at request of the city of Mississauga Police Department. An extreme dangerous situation is currently taking place at Toronto Pearson International Airport at approximately 6:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. More shower strength has been reported at the airport in the city of Mississauga and Toronto, opening fire at these two in the airport, also detonating airplanes shooting out of the sky. Also, there are many reports that shower friends reported in BCS airport. Also, this is why it was happening previously in CN Tower and Rogers Center. Also, they're threatening to kill hostages and passengers, taking 1,060 people hostage in the airport. Due to the severity of the situation, Toronto Pearson International Airport will be closing until further notice. No one's entering the area unless the French will be currently out of control. All residents within a 10-mile radius of Toronto Pearson International Airport are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. And if any French enters your home, use armed protection by all needs. This includes civil force. Please tune to local station by news information whenever it becomes available. Great. So now more shower friends have now confirmed in the site of Toronto Pearson International Airport. Looks like it's just getting more worse out there. Right back here in Toronto. Where did Becca go? Right there. Let's get this out of here. What? The more toilets have now reported? Where they report toilets? 9 minutes later. Event type is civil emergency for Toronto. This message is transmitted at request of the Toronto Police Department. A mysterious and dangerous situation is currently taking place at Billy Bishop Airport in Toronto, which is a smaller international airport in Toronto. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a toilet front has been reported in the small airport, opening fire at the airport and roaming around the small international airport as the Port George 4 Island Airport appears to be the Toronto City Centre Airport, also detonating airplanes again, and then also shooting more planes out of the sky. Also, there actually a ferry there. Toronto has been reported riding a ferry terminal towards the airport, then entered the airport and opened fire, taking 270 people hostage. Due to this, Billy Bishop Airport will be closing until further notice. All residents within a 5-mile radius of Billy Bishop Airport are advised to stay away from the airport and shelter in place immediately. Taking adequate supplies for you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery powered or hand crank radio with extra batteries, and a first aid kit to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Please tune to the local station when news information whenever it becomes available. So now we have reported toilets in Billy Bishop Airport, smaller airport. Crazy. Then another never occurring. Let's put this away. Alright, so let's go to the news. Meanwhile, in Toronto, which is at station, this is CIIDT Global Toronto. We have current breaking news coming out of Toronto and Mississauga. Apparently, showers and chores has been reported in Rogers Centers and CN Tower. Then, more shower front has been reported in Toronto Pearson International Airport. Finally, another toilet front has been reported in Billy Bishop Airport. We don't know how this is happening, because this is why more of these incoming toilet showers also reported in Toronto and Mississauga. Also, that's why what's happening to these 4 areas. Due to this variant of the situation, they're asking all residents of Toronto are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Live in downtown Toronto is my correspondent Angela. Angela, are you there? I'm living here in downtown Toronto. which is very mainly quiet out there since there's actually a more lockdowns in Toronto, Ontario, and Mississauga. Sometimes another attack will be taking place throughout Toronto. There is actually more attack will be taking place in the city of Toronto. We don't know why it is happening. This this is Toronto. This is Angela from Global Toronto. Back over to you. Thank you. In other news, Christmas will be incoming on December 25th, 2022. In USA and Canada, we're actually celebrating Christmas break. This is CIIDT Global Toronto returning your regular programming. Ginger and Hank got
Gio is on the phone.
food today. Now let's pause the video. "30 minutes later, okay, Tom got food. Event type is all clear. For Toronto. This message is transmitted at request of the Toronto Police Department. This is an all clear message. Tom friends that were causing massive damage and roaming chaos across Toronto, Ontario, Canada have now turned into food and residents may enter their shelters. However, massive damage has been reported. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter is damaged or destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, to take you to a military base. All broadcast and cable systems are allowed to resume regular programming. Emergency broadcasts will be now handed over to state and local officials. In addition, police have revealed that their friend has been identified to the police. Ben and Angela has food today. First is Tom, which is a black cat with green eyes. Also has cozy honesty and green ribbon. Hank is our second friend. Same clothes, a white dog, a blue wig and tail with a birthday party hat on top of his head. And Becca is our third. We're here in the bedroom. Sorry. Third is Becca, which is a black rabbit with snowman beanie, a snowman suit with green eyes, and different with the bunny ears. And finally, Ginger, which is a yellow cat with blue eyes, same clothes. Repeating, Tom friends have now turned into food and residents may exit their shelters. The Toronto Police Department thanks you to cooperation during this emergency. Apology. The first reported attack of Tom friends in Canada, which is a very good EAS scenario. So my presentation for EAS scenario was a very good one for Canada that we haven't did it yet. Even though more cracks have been occurred right there because I got dropped or drove something right there, but sorry about that. And I bet we don't know what's happening in Canada. So first question, why did some showers and toilets report in Rogers Centers and CN Tower? Second question, why did some of these more showers have now reported in Toronto Pearson International Airport in Mississauga? And finally, how happened is one of these how did it happen more toilet fronts have been reported in Billy Bishop Airport in Toronto, Ontario. We didn't know what the cause of this is happening. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, as this another video will be planning on a Canada special or back to USA. Thank you for presenting Tom Friends in Toronto, Canada, our first Canada attack, our first Canada EAS scenario, my regular scenario, and I will see you in the next video. This is me, Gabriel John Doney from Decorating Christmas Tree for 2022. Signing off, saying goodbye.